Did you know ChatGPT has secret codes? I've got a few secret codes just for gamers and 90s kids where you can create art using symbols and bring that nostalgic magic back to life. I've also got a special code designed to help you build a stronger bond with your family, friends, or partner. Today, I'll show you 5 secret ChatGPT codes that will completely change the way you use AI, whether you're learning, creating, or just having fun. Trust me, you'll want to try these out right after this video. Ever feel like ChatGPT's answers sound too robotic? Try /human.el10. End any prompt with this code, and ChatGPT will explain things like you're 10 years old. Perfect for breaking down complex topics into simple, bite-sized explanations. You can now see the example on screen. Explain black holes /human. EL10 output. So if you're a student or just want to simplify, this code is your best friend. ChatGPT can actually draw with letters and symbols. Rockets, animals, faces, you name it. It's like unlocking an old school artist hidden inside AI. For that, try /ASCII.art. Add this to your prompt, and ChatGPT will create text art instead of just plain answers. You can see the example now. Draw me a rocket ship, ASCII.art. See, ASCII rocket. Not only fun, but also useful for retro-style designs, coding projects, or just showing off to friends. Love fantasy or role-playing games? Type this code, /role.dungeonmaster, and ChatGPT becomes your dungeon master. It creates quests, battles, and adventures on the spot. Your own D&D session anytime you want. Example, take me on a fantasy quest, /role.dungeonmaster. On screen, ChatGPT starting an RPG story. Warning, you might lose hours playing this one. This will read aloud, so it's like listening to a story. Ever wonder what life was like in ancient Egypt or the year 3000? Add this code, /time.travel, and ChatGPT will narrate history or the future like you're actually there. It's a time machine in text form. Example, tell me about life in ancient Egypt, time.travel. On screen, ChatGPT describing pharaohs, pyramids, and daily life. It's like having a personal historian that takes you back in time. And finally, use this recipe code, print it out the result, and hand it to them. Suddenly, cooking turns into a playful challenge instead of a chore. It's the perfect way to spark laughter, share a tasty meal, and make your date night extra memorable. Not only do you enjoy delicious food, but you also build a stronger bond together, one recipe at a time. Try this, /secret.recipe. This one is super fun. ChatGPT gives you recipes written like riddles or secret steps. Example, give me a pasta recipe /secret.recipe. It makes cooking feel like solving a puzzle, and the food tastes even better when you crack the code. So there you have it, 5 secret ChatGPT codes you can try right now, from simplifying hard topics to creating art, role-playing adventures, time travel, and even coded recipes. These little hacks make AI way more fun and powerful. Which one will you try first? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because in my next video, I'll reveal 5 more secret ChatGPT codes that are even crazier. So there you have it. 5 secret ChatGPT codes you can try right now, from simplifying hard topics to creating art, role-playing adventures, time travel, and even coded recipes. These little hacks make AI way more fun and powerful. Which one will you try first? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because in my next video, I'll reveal 5 more secret ChatGPT codes that are even crazier.